Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be trying another weird hair tool again. It is the Octocurl and it looks like this, and I'm basically going to be testing this thing out to see if I can get like some heat-free curls. I already stretched my hair out, but I was doing a makeup tutorial, so I had to put it in a bun. So let's see what it looks like right now. It's probably like looks crazy because I had it in this tight bun, so it's probably like really wavy, but I wanted to stretch my hair before doing it, so I ended up using the Revlon blow dryer to stretch it out. And I used my heat protectant, my Tresemme, and the TGIN leave-in conditioner. Right now this is what my hair is looking like. As you can see, even though I be cutting my hair while it's curly, it looks a little bit even today, finally. I don't know if I should stretch my hair more than this or not, because I'm gonna be using a mousse, so I don't know. Well, anyways, we're just gonna start. I really could care less at this point. I'm going to be using this mousse from Not Your Mother's Naturals, and I've never really used it before. I used it on my daughter's hair, but I never used it on my hair yet. So you put this on and then you put it on like that, right? Cool. You're gonna split your hair in two, right? So each section, you're gonna take two of the legs, I call them legs, and then you're just gonna basically split the hair between the next two, like right down the middle, so like that. So this is the hair that you're gonna be working with right here. And then you're gonna take some mousse. I'm taking a little bit, just a little bit, like that much. And don't judge my nails, okay? I am still trying to take them off one by one, and I don't know how I'm even getting them off. The mousse, and you just kind of, I like this mousse because it dries really fast. That I'm just gonna do without it, brushing it out. You could brush yours out, but I'm just not, because my hair is already detangled. So then basically you're gonna act like you're braiding pretty much. I like to start with both on both like this, with the hair in the middle, and then you just kind of braid like you're doing a braid, but you do it really tight like that. Hopefully this comes out right. And this is the part where I get confused. I don't know how I'm supposed to do the ends, but I'm gonna just kind of fold them together. I don't know, I just bring them together and then kind of tuck it upwards like that. And then I just take the strap and I just wrap the strap around, I guess, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I already feel like I'm making a mistake. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the next section. So that hair that we had right here in the front, we're gonna get two more pieces, which are these two, and then right between the next two, I'm gonna split it in half like that. Boom. See? The things you do when you don't have nothing else to do. This side might end up looking better than the other side because I just decided to start brushing it out with the brush because I didn't feel like getting my brush, but then I ended up getting it. So now I hope it doesn't make a huge difference. I'm gonna do one strap at the end. So when we get to the end, right, we're gonna take one, right? Like, so you're braiding, and then you just let go of this last one you just let go of one, and you keep your hair with the other one, and then you just take the strap and strap it around twice around one piece with your hair. So basically it's like a twist. So you wrap it around just one. That's what I'm gonna do for the last bunch that I'm doing. See if it makes a difference. We'll know when my hair is done. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse just to kind of smooth out the top of my hair a little bit. And then I'm gonna push that down, and boom, we are done. So I'm gonna sleep with this overnight, and then we're gonna see the finished results in the morning. All right, guys, so it is the next day, and I'm about to take these things out. I slept on my hair. I kind of feel like I should have put something over it, but I didn't. So I'm kind of worried a little bit. I kind of feel, and then I realized that I left something out. So I'm like, what did I do wrong? Like, how did I miss that? But anyway, whatever. So regardless of how I think this thing is gonna look, I'm just gonna go ahead and wish for the best and take this thing out. Just gonna unbraid them one by one. Wow. Yeah, imagine if this was the finished product. Did you think it was cute? Okay, so I'm gonna just start separating it. It's a little crispy. I think I put too much mousse, honestly. But yeah, I'm just gonna kind of pull them apart like this. Already getting a little bit of frizz. I'm going to be using the Miss Jessie's Hold Me Down Edge Control. And I'm just going to kind of fix the front part of my hair. And then we should be done. I don't have a mirror, so if it comes out messed up, I'm sorry. But I can't see. I'm just using my laptop right now to see, because I had to move my mirror yesterday because I was filming a makeup tutorial. You can hear my daughter's TV. I'm sorry. She's in her room watching TV, and I told her to close the door so I can film this really fast and I could still hear it. Okay, so there you have it, the Octocurl results on stretched hair. I really like it. I think it's very nice. I think it's very different compared to what I'm used to, and it's definitely better than my twist outs, because my twist outs never come out right. I don't know why, but this I can do. I think it's because it's like it stretches your hair while your hair is like twisted or braided or whatever. So technically you can call this a braid out, right? Oh, and before I go, the lashes that I'm wearing are my brand lashes, Caked Up Lashes. I am launching a new line next week, so stay tuned for that. And I might start a series on basically how I go through the whole process of starting the brand, promoting the brand, and all that, if you guys are interested. But if you're not, let me know, because I will definitely just not do it. But I think it would be a good thing, considering what's going on right now and everybody's trying to like start their own business and you know, a lot of people are losing their jobs, so I know a lot of people are trying to like look into that type of thing. So if you are interested in me doing like a rundown of that, let me know, and I will definitely start like a little mini series on like starting my lash business. If you do want to buy the ones that I'm wearing right now, these are like the ones that I'm discontinuing them after the new one launches, but I do have a few more left. These are almost sold out, but I have a few more left, and if you get a chance to get your hands on them, the link will be in the description box. And whatever I have right now, I'm just gonna sell them, and then that's it. There's no more, like, I'm not selling this style any longer. Not because I don't like them, but I actually don't have, my vendor is no longer like available, so I can't really get these lashes anymore unless I find something similar. But like I said, you can buy whatever I have left, and it will be in the description box below. And I'll see you guys in my next video.